let me show you the solution for the wall cabinet. Here's the wall cabinet. The left one is wood door, the right one is glass door. Normally, and the top cabinet is glass door also. So for the glass door cabinet and the top glass door cabinet, we use the wall switch to control them, so they keep turned on. But for the wood door cabinet, so you see, when I open the door, the light turn on. It's like this. So, and when I close the door, light off. Off. You see, I open another one, same. Light also turn on. So we use two lights here. One is the park light. This kind of park light used for top glass wall cabinet, and the other one, the shelf, we use this kind of product. So here is an angle. See, here is an angle. It can detect hunting and the back side of the shelf. So upside and downside lighting, both sides. So this is a solution for wall cabinet, wood doors and glass doors.